and welcome. Today let us see the products which I got during the Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale 2024. So there are a lot of offers and discounts available, so go ahead and check the Nykaa website. I have also created a shorts with the recommendations to purchase during this Nykaa Hot Pink Sale, so you can go ahead and check that here. So usually during these sales, I'll go ahead and buy Luxe products because there'll be a lot of offers and discounts available. But this time I got more drugstore products because recently I purchased the MAC foundation, the new one, and the Too Faced concealer. So you can see the review of the new MAC foundation here. So these are the products which I got during the sale. So out of these products, one of it is a Luxe product, others are all affordable, drugstore products. So let's see one by one. So let's start with the Luxe product. So I got this Clinique Moisturizer. So this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour Auto-replenishing Hydrator, and this is of 30 ml. The actual cost is 2,000. I got it for 1,700. So I have heard a lot of reviews about this, and I've heard that this is really great. As a night cream, day cream, and also as a base for your makeup, and also as a facial mask. So I definitely wanted to try this and see. I know it's expensive, but the results are amazing is what I heard. So I got this. Next, I got some products from Inside Cosmetics. So these products are really great. I've heard a lot of reviews about it, and it's really affordable. So the first one is the foundation. So this is the HD foundation from Inside, and this says it has high coverage and dewy finish. And this is around 20 ml, and the actual cost is 275, and I got it for 220. But this is a very small, a quantity, I would say. But anyways, for 220, it is really good, and it's giving you a high coverage, it claims. So I have used it today. It definitely gives a high coverage, and the shade which I have is MN30. So I use NC42 in MAC, and I think it really goes well for this, for my skin. So this is the shade MN30, and its consistency is really thick, so it gives you a high coverage. But I don't say it gives you like a complete full coverage. It does gives a decent amount of coverage, as you can see here. That's the coverage which you get. And next I got this concealer. So this is the HD concealer again from Inside Cosmetics. And again, this is of shade MN30. So this is the concealer. It's quite big enough, but I think it's only 9 grams or something. So the cost of this is actually 270, and I got it for 216, which is still okay because this is giving you really good coverage. I have used it today. The shade is actually a little bit darker, but I usually choose a darker shade because, or my skin shade, so it covers my blemishes and pigmentation better. So that's the shade, and I really liked it. The coverage is good enough. Just with one dab, it covered the pigmentation around my mouth and eyes. I really like that. So it's definitely great. The reviews also are good. Many influencers have mentioned that it gives you a coverage like high-end concealers, which I agree to it. So this is definitely great. You can give it a try. Next, I got this Inside, compact. So this is the Flawless Finish Setting Powder from Inside. I do have the banana powder, but I really do not like the finish of it. It's not that great. So this is the compact. I wanted to try this and see. And this is of shade MN20. And this is how it is. So it has this, the sponge and the thing. So the shade is pretty good. So this is the shade. So it's a lighter shade. I usually, for compact, I go for one shade lighter. So it keeps my face brightened. And this is good. I haven't tried it, but it is really good. It seems to be very soft, and it gives you a matte finish. And I hope it sets your makeup well. So the actual cost is 210, and I got it for 168, which is definitely great because Inside Cosmetics are very affordable, and the quality is also good, most of the products quality. So you should definitely give it a try and see the Inside Cosmetics products. And for purchasing the Inside Cosmetics, I got this lipstick free. So this is the non-transfer liquid lipstick, and the shade which I got is Peach Candy. I have actually applied it. It's actually on the top layer. So it's more like an orangish shade. So that's the shade. It's like okay for a free product. So that's from the Inside Cosmetics. And next I got some products from Nykaa Cosmetics as well. So first is this mascara. So this is the Nykaa Super Sizer Waterproof Volumizing Mascara. So I already have a mascara from Nykaa. So that is like, I think it's a super lash mascara or something. But I just used it twice, and the third time when I tried to use it, it kind of dried up, and I couldn't use it at all. So I don't know if I did not use the product well, or is that the quantity which is available. But anyways, I love mascaras and I wanted to try again. So this is the Super Sizer mascara, and this I've already applied here, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see because it's definitely not a Super Sizer mascara. It gives you a decent volume, but it's like okay. I won't say this is like worth it because the actual price of this is 449, which is definitely not worth according to me, and I got it for 274. So yeah, that's the Nykaa mascara. And next I got this Nykaa Matte to Last Pore Blurring Loose Powder. So this is a new launch. I think they launched it a few months back, and this is how the compact is. The loose powder is. So I've heard good reviews. It's a very fine powder, I heard, and it sets your makeup beautifully is what I heard. So this one, it comes with this puff as well to set the powder, and I have used it now to set the concealer and the foundation. It's definitely very fine, and the shade which I have is olive, which is good for a medium to deep skin tone. So this is how it is. That is, it's very fine. It's definitely very fine, and it sets your makeup very well because I used it today just to try, and it is definitely great. So the actual cost of this is $7.99, which I think is not definitely worth for 800 rupees. But yeah, I got it for $5.99 during this sale. So this is good, but for the price, actual price, I don't think this is worth it, but you can give it a try. So for purchasing the Nykaa products, so I got only two. I got this lipstick free. So this is the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick, and this is of shade Nefertiti. So that's the lipstick. This is the shade. I actually used this first, and on top of that I used the inside. This is a little bit light shade, so if you're a medium to dusky skin tone, you have to use a lip liner because it will kind of wash away. Without a lip liner it will not look good, but the shade is good. I'll just swatch it here. So that's the shade. So these are the products which I got during this Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale. So I like most of the products, especially the inside cosmetics. So in general, they are inexpensive, and the quality is really good. And in this sale, you get even more offers and discounts. So you can definitely give it a try and buy these products. The quality is good. As you can see here, I have used the foundation, concealer, and the lipstick, which is definitely good. So anyways, I'm going to do a full face of makeup with the Inside Cosmetics and the Nykaa Cosmetics Zone, so you can have a look at it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and it was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.